Introduction: PHP While Loop is a tool for developers to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition is true. It is used to automate and simplify the process of executing repetitive tasks. Understanding PHP While Loop. The basic syntax of a while loop in PHP: while condition code to be executed. The condition is evaluated. If it is true, the code within the loop is executed. The process continues until the condition becomes false. Working with PHP While Loop. Example of a basic PHP While Loop: I = 1 5 echo the number is I++. This code will print numbers from 1 to 5. The while loop checks the condition I = 5. If the condition is true, it prints the value of I and then increments I by 1. This process continues until I becomes greater than 5, at which point the condition becomes false and the loop stops executing. Tips and tricks. Always include a statement within your loop that changes the value of your conditional variable to avoid infinite loop. Be careful with the conditions in your loop. If the condition is never false, the loop will continue indefinitely, leading to unexpected results or errors. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Infinite loops. This happens when the loop condition is always true. To avoid this, ensure your loop has a reachable endpoint. Off by 1 errors. These are common in loops where the boundaries are not defined correctly. Always double-check your loop start and end points. Conclusion: while loops in PHP are a fundamental construct that every developer should master. They can simplify your code and make repetitive tasks more manageable. Be aware of potential pitfalls such as infinite loops and off by 1 errors. Always test your loops thoroughly to ensure they behave as expected.